the Sunday stock list video where we'll be analyzing the indexes and few stocks for the coming week, right? So my advice to you all would be don't trade in more than two things. At the same time, wait for certain levels to break, then only initiate a trade, right? So coming down to Nifty first. So as you all know, this week, from the all-time highs, some selling is generated. Okay, so 17,500 to the 17,460 level basically is a very crucial level for us, right? So as the market is in a flow of selling, we look forward to short if 17,460 gets taken down, right? And then you can at least expect the first target of 17,360 4, where from basically where we got the last breakout, right? And at the same time, if you are looking forward to initiate a trade on the upside, wait for 17,600 to get taken out, right? Then only trade on the upside. Okay, otherwise the nature of the market is basically telling us that some selling is coming from the highs. Okay, so initiated rate on the upside only if 17,600 gets taken out, as well as if the level of 17,460 gets taken down on the downside, you'll achieve at least a 130 point target, right? Okay, then we come down to Nifty Bank. So if Nifty Bank, if you'll see, the levels of 37,000 has acted as a good support for us, right? And the levels of sorry the levels of 37,300 is basically a resistance. So look forward for a buying entry only if 37,300 gets taken out on the upside. At the same time, if 37,000 gets taken down on the downside, you can really get good returns, right? So wait and see what the market is doing, what the market is telling you, what the price is telling you, then only initiate a trade. Okay, so if we move down to the first stock, just Tata Motors, right? So as we know, this stock basically is quite bullish right now, and we have rejected from this 337.5 level two times. Okay, so say if we open gap up and this level gets taken out, you all can expect good targets on this stock as it's bullish in nature as of now, right? Then if we come down to M&M, same thing over here. If we see, this stock has already given a breakout of the 825 levels, right? So the next target you all can expect here is at least 850. Okay, so initiate a trade if the Friday's high is taken out on this stock, which is 830 levels. All right, then if we come down to Tata Consumers, if you look at its 1 day chart, you know the stock all the way from levels of, I guess, 880, 886 has come down to 800, right, which is almost a 10% correction, and the last breakout happened from this spot. Okay, so look for a positional trade in this stock, right, as that has corrected from its all-time highs. you know if it takes good support on 800, the levels of 800 is respected, then you can expect a good positional target on this stock, right? Then if we come down to Godrej Properties, same thing over here. From the levels of around 11, 1140, it has come all the way till 1000, which is around a 10-12% correction. So look forward for an entry if the levels of 1000 is basically respected, right? And you can expect good returns from the stock. It's a swing trade basically. Okay, then if we come down to Tata Steel, same, the stock corrected from 1500 to almost 1250, and now it's trading around 1298. So the levels of 1310, where we have got rejection basically, will act as a good resistance. Okay, so if this gets taken out, your first target you all can expect is 1330, and then it can turn out to be bullish in nature. The next target is around 1350 or something. Okay, so this, even watch it if the level of 1310 is taken out. At the same time, again, last time I suggested you all this stock named Oro Pharma for positional trade, and it really worked out. Okay, so same with Lupin. It has corrected almost, you can say, I guess, 20% from its highs, and it has respected the levels of 950, made a double bottom on the downside, Okay, so you can expect good positional good returns on this swing trade. If the levels of 970 is taken out, you all can initiate a entry. 990 is your first target, and if the levels of 1000 gets taken out on the stock, it can really uh, help you achieve good returns. Okay, yeah, so I hope you all like this video. So watch out for stocks for this coming week, and if the entry is not initiated on Monday or Tuesday, wait for other days, right? Okay, so yeah, have a great trading week, guys. Thank you for watching.